Okay, you ready for this photo shoot? Good. Oh, I love it. I'm loving it. Work it. Wait, no, give me eye contact, darling. I need eye contact. Could you please turn to the side? Don't play jokes with me, dear. Turn to your right. Okay, I want to be able to see you through the window. I want to see you through the window. That is creeperlicious. Love it, love it, love it. I can't see you, but I can see me. That's creeperific. Uh-oh, I can see the car. I see you. Okay, darling, you gotta sell this board. Let's sell it, babe. Let's sell the board. Now that's a little promiscuous, don't you think? Darling, I think I'm gonna have to get Antonio over here. Antonio. Antonio. Get the camera. Okay. Now turn to your left. Darling, that's my right. I said left. Turn to my left. Oh, that is vicious. Oh my God. Can I seriously get that for Addison? He will totally love those shorts. Are they Versace? Because you know he loves Versace.
Cindy, sorry.
Did I tell you I was dating him? I know. Antonio and Addison. Isn't that a great name for a kid? Antonio Addison. We're going to name him Antonio Addison Jr. Jr.
Told me that I have to go to the big stuff.
Did you know he's good in bed?
No.
You didn't sleep with him. You are no longer a mom.
Because I can't sleep with him because he's a boy and he's gay.
That's more like it. You're straight, right?
Is he good in bed? No, yeah, I'm straight. Is he good in bed, Antonio?
Yeah, we're supposed to be taking pictures. Let's wait some more.
I'm Antonio.
Let's wait some more.
Sensitive, are we?
Huh? Excuse me? Did you just say offensive? Dude, I could seriously care less if any other guy slept with them, but you? No, you're straight. I don't like straight.
No.
Only the gays can sleep.
I don't like gays.
You don't like gays?
No, I love them.
Oh, she is so screwed. This girl, no, she is so
Let your whole body